beginning to end, the steps to take. This film will guide you through the steps involved in securing your new or altered connection. The first step would be for you to contact us on this number or through our website ukpowernetworks.co.uk.
Hi, I'm Lena and I work with the team that oversees your job from start to finish.
Hi, I'm Kaylee. I also work for the team that will oversee your job from start to finish.
When you get in touch with us, we will gather some information and guide you through the application form. If your job's a complicated job, we will require your electrician's input.
In all instances, you will need to provide a location plan of the property, marking where you would like the supply to be installed. This enables us to assess where our nearby cables are and avoid any potential issues with digging up the footpath if required. Once we've assessed your application, we'll then provide you with a quotation. Bear in mind that connections involve working with live electricity, so specialist training and equipment is required. The quotation also covers administration for any traffic orders that we would need to obtain from the local authority. This would be for digging within the footpath to access our main supply.
You can pay for your works by card, cheque or BACS. Once this is done, we'll usually send a site technician to visit your property, who'll go through with you all the works you'll need to carry out before the connection takes place. Whilst on site, the site technician will take note of any traffic management issues that may arise as a result of digging up the highway to access the mains cable. Excavating the highway to connect the main supply may involve closing a footpath, a road, suspension of a bus stop or residents' parking bays.
Once payment is received, the other thing we'll do is issue you with a meter point administration number, or MPAN, sometimes referred to as a supply number. For new services or where additional meters are required, for example, if you are dividing a property into flats, you will need to organise with an electricity supplier to come and fit a meter for you. UK Power Networks are not an electricity supplier. For more information on MPANs and meter installations, please see our meter installations film.
Your local authority plays a big part in influencing the dates of your works. They issue any permits required, such as parking suspensions in the area where we need to excavate to connect the main supply. Therefore, as soon as you have a date in mind, it is vitally important that you give us as much notice as possible so we can sort out any permits required for excavation. It is important that dates are kept to, as once the local authority grant the permit, a non-refundable fee is incurred.
Bear in mind there may be things such as excavation, laying ducts, fitting consumer units and also arranging metering. All this will need to be undertaken before our engineers can carry out any works on the installation dates given.
Shortly before your programme date, we may make a pre-site visit and send you a text before your works are due to commence. A new supplier requires you to coordinate your works along with your meter installer and any works required by your electrician or builder. To avoid any additional costs, please make sure your site is ready for our engineers to undertake the work on the programme date.
Great, I'll talk to you about electricity supply.
We've made 3 other films that provide more detail on other aspects of this process. The films are an overview, building works, which gives detail on the site preparations you must undertake, and your electrical responsibilities, which should be watched if your works require the installation of a new meter. After watching them, if you still have any questions, then please call our team on 0845 234 0040 and they'll be happy to help.